Started in 2004. Kurt and I were actually friends in law school.
I started my career in aerospace. I was an aerospace engineer. Took that technology and applied it to mountain bikes. I enjoyed starting a business, being entrepreneurial, that kind of thing. So I decided I want to get into business law, and I want to work with small businesses and entrepreneurs, help them start those businesses and make sure they're on a sound legal footing.
I thought I was going to be a securities attorney, but lo and behold, the dot-com crash, securities jobs, you just couldn't find them. And I ended up being in-house counsel at a tech company here in the metro area. I had a bit of a background in intellectual property matters, and all of a sudden I became the go-to guy in that company.
The focus of the firm is intellectual property law, and we also do business law that's related to intellectual property law. Specifically, that would be patents, trademarks, copyright, and trade secrets. We will also work with the client in infringement issues. If someone's infringing their trademark or they're potentially infringing someone else's trademark.
We also provide solutions on small and medium-sized businesses, transactional business needs.
Licensing is another area we're involved in, and some entertainment law as well.
Yeah, entertainment law. Every company has intellectual property. You might not have patents on your products or your process or something like that, but you do have a name and you have a brand, and that's going to be protected by trademarks. And in this day and age, trademarks are probably one of the #1 intellectual property issues because everyone has them.
A lot of times clients don't know what their intellectual property is and what isn't. And we help them understand what their intellectual property is, essentially control it. And then we move to protect it.
You know, these issues don't live in a vacuum. You know, they interact, and your attorney should interact as well and make sure that everything is in sync.
Our job is to give that client or prospective client honest advice. We want to give them that information so they can make an informed business decision.
Anytime that we provide a service, we want to be adding value to that client. We want to get that client where they need to go at a price that they can afford to do it.
These inventors, these entrepreneurs have such incredible enthusiasm about what they're doing. To put them on a footing where they can be as successful as they possibly can be is something that's very gratifying to us.